How to set the default chat theme on Messenger app. What's up everyone? In today's video I'm going to show you guys how to easily change the default theme of your Messenger app. But before we begin, make sure to head down below to give this video a like and subscribe to our channel. Alright, let's get right into it. The first thing I'm going to do right here is open up my Messenger. And once you open up your Messenger, all you have to do is open any of your chats that you want to change your theme. Now, once you head to your chat, all you have to do is tap on your group, or you can even tap on this eye icon at the top right corner. And once you get to the chat settings, right on top of your screen, you will see the customization section where you have an option to change the theme. Just tap on it, and here are all of these available themes given by the Messenger app, and here are the color gradients as well if you don't want the background. But if I scroll a bit, I'm just gonna choose this one right here, so it will show you a preview of how it will look. And if you don't like it, you can always change it to another one. So once you select your preferred theme, you can tap on select, and depending on the theme that you have selected, you can also change the default emoji. So that is pretty much it for this video. If you found it helpful, hit the like button and subscribe. I will see you on the next one.